Neiman Marcus sells a mirror almost exactly like this one for $550. Keep watching to see the step-by-step on how I made this version for $30. Welcome to Artsy Cupcake. If you're new here, welcome. My name's Maria, and I'm a full-time graphic designer, but I like to hop onto YouTube every week and bring you some creative inspiration with fashion, recipe, and home decor ideas. Today I'm going to show you how to make this gorgeous mirror in just a few easy steps. This is part of the Look for Less challenge hosted by the Latina next door and Coffee with My Sunshine. There will be a playlist with a bunch of other videos showing you how to make a dupe of a more expensive home decor item for less money. And I will link that playlist in the description box below, along with all the materials that you will need for this butterfly mirror project. So here is the mirror I found at Neiman Marcus, which I thought was so beautiful. I tend to use gold as accents in my home, but you could create this mirror in any color that matches your decor. This is a design from Yami, and it goes for $550 on NeimanMarcus.com. I love this mirror, but personally, I don't want to spend that much on a mirror, so I love the butterflies, and if you saw my jewelry must-haves video, you may remember one of my most sentimental pieces of jewelry is this little gold butterfly necklace that my parents gave me. Now, the Yami piece is a solid brass piece, which I'm sure contributes to the high cost, and the workmanship probably makes it just a beautiful piece of art worthy of that $550 price tag. But to make my own version for only $30, I had to be resourceful with my materials. So let me show you what I picked up to make my very own butterfly mirror. I found these 3D paper butterflies on Amazon. There were 100 of the butterflies, and I like that they have a little dot on the back where it's plastic, and I could secure the glue dots that came with the package of butterflies. The little bodies are plastic, and the wings are like a heavyweight paper. I love how the wings flutter a little bit if a breeze goes by the mirror. They're just really pretty and well made. The colors are so beautiful on them, and I felt even leaving them without painting them gold would be another great option for this mirror, if you wanted something a little more colorful. You will need a round mirror to make this dupe. This one is 12 inches across. I found this plain round mirror at Michael's, and it was surprisingly cheap at only $5. They had quite a few unadorned mirrors in various shapes, so you could easily create this with a square or a rectangular shaped mirror, whatever you prefer. I also got the metallic gold spray paint at Michael's for $7. So here's a look at the supplies you will need, and I will link as much of this as I can find in the description box below for you. So the butterflies are $13, the mirror is $5, the spray paint $7, Gorilla Glue $4, and then a frame hook is $1, for a total of $30 for this project. Step 1. Okay, the first step is to spray paint those butterflies. I picked out the ones that were smaller so that I could use more around the perimeter of the mirror, and I saved the big ones for a possible future project. I opened up their wings, and I wanted to do this outside, so I did have to tack them down so they wouldn't fly away while they were drying out there. They came with some glue dots to make that task easier, and these glue dots are surprisingly strong. I only needed to worry about painting the fronts since these will be on a wall, but I did try to angle some of the paint a little bit underneath the wings too. It is usually humid in Texas, so there was some moisture in the air, but they still came out well with this quick dry formula of spray paint. The nozzle kept leaking onto my finger, so I would recommend wearing some rubber gloves and doing this on a dry day. Step 2 is to add a hook onto the back of the mirror so you can hang this butterfly mirror in your home. The nice thing is that since these butterflies are so lightweight, the overall weight of the whole mirror once completed is really low, so you don't need any heavy-duty hanging hooks like you sometimes do with larger mirrors. I just used some Gorilla Glue and this picture frame hook, and it should be good to go with one nail in the wall. Step 3. Next we need to glue the butterflies to the mirror. I used those really strong glue dots that came with the butterflies, and I just created a pattern of butterflies however I thought it looked best, and I tried to give it that three-dimensional effect by layering the butterflies on top of each other. It doesn't have to be perfect, just go around until you feel the density of the butterflies is substantial. And even though those glue dots are super strong, they can be adjusted if you want to rearrange the setup. Since there is no dry time with those glue dots, we can move right into step 4, which is to give that mirror a good clean to get off those smudges. Now this mirror is ready to hang. Okay, let's compare my $30 version to the $550 one. What do you guys think of my version? I am really happy with how it came out. If you end up making your own version of this mirror, make sure to tag me on Instagram because I would love to see how yours came out. If you enjoyed this DIY tutorial and you want to see more videos like this one, please subscribe so we can get to know each other. I'm trying to build a positive community here on Artsy Cupcake, so I would love to get to know you in the comments section below. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a very happy day.